Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well and I really hope that you guys are safe. So today's video is gonna be one of our favorite videos because it's gonna be a shopping haul and I'm super excited for it because it has such amazing pieces. It's gonna be a huge jewelry haul and the brand's name is Joker and Witch and I am so excited to show you guys all the things that I have here. I mean, these are just gorgeous. So if you have any event coming up, then you should definitely check this brand out. They have some amazing jewelry pieces, like just gorgeous. Okay, let's start with the first piece. For the record, I just want to say कि जो भी सब pieces है ना वो बहुत ही statement pieces है. Like these are not the pieces that you can use in your daily wear, most of them. But if you have your birthday, like मेरा birthday आने वाला है, so I'm definitely gonna pick one piece from these only. First are these earrings. Now these are like so beautiful and I'm sorry, I am gonna say so beautiful so many times in this video, but yeah, these pieces are gorgeous. Okay, so this is like in black crystals. I don't have anything in black. No, there are some pieces in your wardrobe जिसके साथ ना ही proper silver चलता है ना ही proper golden चलता है, and you really need some good black pieces in your jewelry collection. So I got this one and I think these are like super pretty. You can see how it looks on me. Also, all the prices will pop up on screen, so don't worry about that, and I will link everything down below in case you are interested in buying the same for you. Next earrings that I have are also in the crystal collection, and these are like, this gives me very princessy vibes, you know, like Cinderella and all of that. But yeah, I mean, it has like a purple and pink stone going on. They have the same design in like a lot of colors, so you can definitely check this one out. These are like super pretty and मतलब ये इतने सुंदर है ना कि तुम एक suppose तुमने कोई plain gown पहना हुआ है या maybe you're just wearing a plain satin sari and you pair these with that and it will give you that class and it will give you that very you know, put together look. So yeah, pretty happy about these. Next pair of earrings that I have are these one. Now these are in heart shape. You can actually wear it in, like, you know, if you're going on a shopping day out or something like that. So these are like very lightweight and super pretty. This is how it looks on me. I am just so happy that I got this one. मैं बहुत confused थी कि मैं लूँ के नहीं, क्योंकि already heart shape की बहुत सारी jewelry है मेरे पास. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with heart shape, but I'm glad that I did because these are very pretty. Plus जो इनका size है, it's not that huge, so I can actually wear it in, like, you know, अगर मुझे पास तक किसी friend के साथ सर day out के लिए जाना हो, so obviously I won't wear these crystals, but I definitely wear these. These are like gorgeous. I want to talk about the quality. I already have a lot of jewelry from this brand and I have a few watches also from this brand. I'm telling you कि आप regret नहीं करोगे buy करने के बाद, क्योंकि जो quality है वो अच्छा है and ये बहुत जल्दी से black भी नहीं होता है if you like take good care of it. So let's go ahead and see the next piece. It's, again, you guys, it's gorgeous. It has like very beautiful stone work going on. I mean, when I saw this, again, I can imagine myself wearing it with a, you know, plain white slip dress and then this jewelry. Oh my god, it's gonna look amazing. So the next pair of earrings are most probably like 99% are the earrings that I'm gonna wear on my birthday, and I'm telling you that it's like too much and I love it. I mean, oh my god, look at these. These are so blingy and I think perfect for a, you know, birthday party. This has to be my favorite piece. I mean, I love rhinestone jewelry and this is like so pretty. And you know what, these are not that heavy कि जो मेरा कान में दर्द हो जाएगी. Plus this seems like very good quality. I am so excited to wear it on my birthday. I mean, look at these are just very pretty. I am like so happy with this. Literally my heart was happy when I saw them first. Yeah, cannot wait to wear it on my birthday actually. Next piece that I have is also from their statement jewelry collection, and again this is like a very beautiful linked chain, and the work is like all rhinestones. I mean, this is just beautiful. If you want to stand out in a party and you're wearing a very simple and classy dress and you just pair a necklace like this with it, you are done, my friend. Everybody is gonna ask you कि कहाँ से लिया necklace. I'm telling you, because this piece is something, it will stand out, you know, like it will come in notice for sure. And I think this is like gorgeous. Make sure you check out the links below in my description in case you're interested in buying anything. Also, when we are talking about necklaces, I'll show you the other set of necklace that I got. This was actually in one set only. The first necklace is a simple chain of pearl, and this is how you lock it. I mean, it's so cool, right? And the second that comes with it is this one. I don't know if you're aware of it, but thick gold chains are like super trendy right now, and I am someone who loves pearl का कुछ भी jewelry में होता है ना. So I was like very happy when I got this क्योंकि ये साथ में भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है if you wanna, you know, wear like a lot of layered necklaces. But ये दोनों अलग अलग भी काफ़ी सुंदर लग रहा है, especially this one. Yeah, it looks very pretty. Two things that I'm gonna show you are rings. One is this one. This is a very dainty piece. I mean, it has some crystal work going on here, and it comes with like adjustable band. So if you are someone who loves to wear such dainty rings, this is so beautiful. You can see on the screen how it looks. I mean, I am in love with this ring. It's so pretty, very you know, thin in size, so it's gonna look amazing like in daily wear as well. Next and the last item of this haul is another ring set. Now this comes with like 4 rings in it. The sad thing is these rings are a little bigger to me, like especially this one. I really loved this one, but it is a little bigger to me, like in my thumb as well. It's like loose. I think I can share it with my friends. I can keep the one that fits me, and you know, then we'll have a ring from the same set. This set is like super pretty, and if you are into wearing like a lot of rings and stacking them, then definitely check this set out. Yeah, that was it about the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below कि आपका favorite piece कौन सा था. And for more such videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell button also. And I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.